BigCommerce Affiliate Program Review Usage Experience. Welcome to the BigCommerce Affiliate Program Review. In this video, we're going to take a deep dive into BigCommerce's affiliate program and its features. You can find all the useful links to sign up and explore the platform in the description below, so make sure to check those out. BigCommerce is a powerful e-commerce platform designed for businesses of all sizes to create and manage online stores. Whether you're running a small shop or a large enterprise, BigCommerce offers a range of features like customizable templates, robust product management, multi-channel selling, and advanced analytics to help you scale your business. It's built for growth, making it ideal for entrepreneurs, digital marketers, and agencies who want to support their clients in creating high-converting online stores. The BigCommerce Affiliate Program allows you to earn commissions by referring new customers to the platform. The program offers a tiered commission structure, meaning the more sales you refer, the higher the commissions you'll earn. You'll also earn a recurring commission for each sale that converts, which is great for building long-term income. One of the best parts about the BigCommerce Affiliate Program is that the platform is easy to promote. With a powerful brand reputation and a comprehensive set of features, it's easy to recommend BigCommerce to business owners looking for a robust e-commerce solution. BigCommerce provides affiliates with a variety of promotional materials, including banners, custom links, and access to the latest product updates to help you get started. The program is perfect for bloggers, influencers, digital marketers, and anyone in the e-commerce space who wants to monetize their audience by recommending a top-tier e-commerce platform. It's a great fit for those who work with e-commerce clients, as you can earn money by recommending the platform to businesses looking for a scalable, feature-rich solution. To sum up, the BigCommerce Affiliate Program is an excellent opportunity for anyone interested in promoting a leading e-commerce platform with great earning potential. If you're looking to make money by recommending a trusted, scalable solution, this program is definitely worth considering. Be sure to check the links in the description and sign up today. Thanks for watching.